Hey guys, I'm back again and I have another Stitch Fix box today, and I haven't looked in the actual packaging, but I peeked at the sheet and I love some of these shirts. So I am going to go ahead and unpack them and see what we have. Okay, so the first shirt is a sleeveless tank style blouse. It is by Hawthorne. Where's the night paper? And this one is $58. I'm not a huge fan of like the details and the color. It's just not really me, but we'll see. And then this one looks super cute. It's got the back detail. I really like this shirt. This shirt is a pixely. I really like that detail. And it is $58 also. This is by Paper Moon, and it is a sheer kind of see-through fabric. And it is $44. And this, I think this is super cute too. This is a mixed media shirt. I really love the flowers. It's really soft too. This shirt is $54. And then they sent me a pair of Liverpool pants. These are skinny, stretchy jeans by Liverpool. And these are $88. And I probably, just without trying them on and telling you, I probably will say I won't keep them just because I have enough jeans right now and I don't really need any more. But I am super excited about some of the shirts, so I'm going to try them on and see what happens. This shirt is really cute, but it doesn't stretch hardly at all, and it doesn't really fit over my hips well. This one, I don't really care for the fit or the colors, so this one is definitely a no-go. These jeans are pretty comfortable, but I don't really need more jeans, so I'll probably just send them back. So out of all of them, I think these are the two that are in my possibly pile. So it's between these two. I really like them both. They are $54 and $58. I probably won't keep both, but I really think they're both super cute. The jeans in the other two shirts are definitely no's. The two shirts are just not the right fit for me. And the jeans, like I said, I just really don't need jeans right now.